What's the meaning of avenue? Ave. Ave.
Ave. Ave. Ave is an abbreviation for avenue, which refers to a street or road that runs perpendicular to the direction of a city's blocks. Typically, avenues are named after numbers or geographic features and can have different characteristics than other types of streets in a particular area. They may be wider, longer, or have more lanes of traffic. Avenues can also be important cultural or commercial centers within a city. Understanding the meaning of Ave is useful for navigating and making sense of urban environments.